2023 Ford Mustang. With less than 58,000 miles on the odometer, this coupe is sleek and stylish with added comforts. It's designed to adapt to meet your daily demands with its lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, turbocharged engine, blind spot monitor, backup camera, convertible soft top, rain sensing wipers, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights. Make an appointment today to test drive this popular model.